So let's come to a comfortable cross-legged seat. So you want to take your hands to your knees and just inhale and open up the heart, lift the chin, deep breath, and then exhale and round. And as you inhale, come back up, opening up the heart, exhaling and rounding. And you're going to do this for 1 minute. And as you do this, each time you inhale, just feel as though you're drawing in vitality to the body. And as you exhale, you're releasing inertia. Inhale, vitality. Exhale, just releasing any kind of heaviness or stuckness. And keep going, just 3 more times on your own. Exhale. Good, and inhale. Beautiful. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. And then just come to center. Okay, so now just go ahead and take your right hand and place it on the floor beside you. And inhale, reach the left arm up and just come into a nice side stretch. So you don't have to go too far, just do what feels good. Just feel as though the whole side, that whole left side of the body is being filled with breath, fresh energy. Deep inhale, feel as though you can reach up a little higher. Exhale, good. Take 1 more breath. Inhale, come all the way up to center and switch sides. Inhale, reach the arm overhead, reach. Good, breathing deeply, stay with your breath. Notice how your neck feels and maybe you can look down. Breathing deep if that feels good with your neck. So just find a space that feels good for the neck and the head. Feel the side body as though it's inflating with breath. And take 1 more deep inhale. And then exhale, come back to neutral. Good. We're just going to come into a spinal twist. So take a deep inhale and take the right hand to the outside of the left knee. Good. Simple twist. Breath is deep. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 2 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. 1 more breath. Good. Exhale. Slowly come back to neutral and then make your way to the other side. Good. Last 2 breaths. Inhale, feel as though the breath is moving right through the spine, all the way to the top of the head. Good. 1 last breath. Inhale. And then exhale and slowly come back to center.